if you're one of my 5 faithful subscribers, you know that not too long ago I was working on my weapons cleaning kits, and these are the kits that I would carry with me, um, in a pack or in my gear when I was out with a weapon, especially hunting or whatever. And so I was looking at the tried and true issue type, and then I was building my own little cleaning kits. And one problem that I saw was with the conventional um, punch. I mean, these things, this is not a military issue one, but it's a pretty good one. These things they're large. They got to be screwed together very often. If you get a cheap brand, the threads get messed up. And so I was using the snakes that they have nowadays. And snakes are good, but the problem with snakes is if you do get an obstruction, a snake's not going to punch that out. So I was kind of whining about a good solution. And then I was reading American Hunter or American Rifleman, one of the NRA magazines, and I came across an ad for the TheRapidRod. And so I went online and looked it up, and I was intrigued. So I ordered 2 of these rapid rods, and it's funny because the company that makes it, I think they make like industrial cleaning supplies or something. I mean, it's not a gun company, and they were like 20 bucks a piece. So I ordered 2 of them, and I've been playing around with it for a little while, and again, I'm intrigued. I'm fairly impressed. The rapid rod reduces down pretty darn small as far as the length, and it folds up. And what it is basically is a steel cable inside of this. I don't know if it's steel or aluminum. Let's see. I don't know if it says. I guess I should know this kind of stuff. Um, if I find out, I'll put it over the video. But the steel cable goes through these hollow rods, and then there's an end that you can actually screw, and it tightens it all up and turns it into a solid rod, much like your conventional cleaning rod. And pretty impressed with it. One thing that really intrigued me about this is the fact it says, and I'll read along with you, the rapid rod was especially designed to remove barrel obstructions during the hunt and for field cleaning. And removing barrel obstructions was the problem that I was looking at when using these here snakes. So why not? Let's give it a try, you know? So here's how it works. Basically, you take it and kind of throw it out and extend it. And then you take this rod, and there's 2 pieces to the rod. You pull so that it extends on out, and then you start screwing to the left. And as you do, the thing tightens up. And you end up with a solid rod. Pretty ingenious. And I've been using it, and it does fine. It does fine. It does just as good as any other rod. I mean, it's a little, you can see there's some flex in there, but inside the bore or inside the barrel, it's going to follow the path. And it came with this one plastic tip, but then it has all these other little tips that you can choose from. I haven't really tried those. And it comes in this little belt pouch, which I don't know who would wear it on their belt, but it comes in a little pouch. So to undeploy it, you just unscrew, screw to the right, and the tension comes off, and you screw it all the way down until the tension is totally gone. And what I've found is it's best to fold up from the working end. That way you know whether or not the tension is all gone. And once again, it's back into its smallest size, and it can slide back into the pouch, or you can just remove this pouch totally and just slide it into a weapons cleaning pouch. But I'm pretty impressed. I'm pretty impressed. So check it out yourself. I will throw the website down so that you can look at it yourself. I'm not affiliated with them, don't have anything to do with them, but I'm always looking for something to make the job better. And this thing is kind of a one-off because I haven't seen it, advertised or carried by gun websites. I did see the ad in NRA magazine. I think that's a smart move. But like I said, their website carries like cleaning supplies. So, so which I guess this is a cleaning supply, is it not? So, anyway, check it out. See what you think. Thanks for watching.